Here we are again, YouTube and Instagram. The difference between wet sanding and not wet sanding. Well, that's a finished panel. It just got wax all over it. But this panel here, you see how dull it is. Started with 1500 grit, moved to 3000. This is where 3000 gets it. But you see no more orange peel or any imperfections. She's dull. We're getting ready to do a 4-step buff and wax to bring the color back. And as you can see, the difference. I finished this door and this part of the car earlier last week. Wet sanded, complete 4-step buff and wax. It's not really clean right now because, like I said, it's got water splashing from me wet sanding. But you can see the difference. See how you can see, even with the speckles in it from the water and the clear coat, you can still see a good reflection. Sanded and polished. That's exactly how this panel is going to look. Trying to get this paint to where it looks wet, which it will get there. Though everybody said the factory has crappy paint jobs, which is not true, even though they're running on an assembly line. Just sometimes needs to be corrected. Alrighty, when I finish this panel, I will post another video and you can see the finished product. Dodge Charger Scat Pack, pitch black color. Alright, thanks YouTube, Instagram.